This is like when your girl get pissed at you because she see you be hitting up another chick. Crawling on the roof and shit. That shit won't funny. Oh, I gotta turn around. Oh, sweet baby mama Jesus. Oh! Get up out that door! No.
You done watching this with me?
No, you think I'm gonna turn around? Fuck you. Yo! Oh, she's around corners. She just waiting for me. She makes. What the fuck? Why am I back? How do I get back there? Don't make that sound. Why is it getting dark around the edges? Fucking room. Fucking keys in it. I don't want to go back in that hallway. That shit. Ooh.
Shanna, it can't be that scary, dude.
You want to
Yes, I
fucking
do.
play it? You hold the fuck up.
That say comments like that. You guys